My name is Lauren Reese. I'm a junior broadcast journalism major, minoring in communication, and this is Student Org Spotlight, where we interview student leaders on campus and find out what their organizations are all about. Can you tell me a little bit more about the Red Cross Club?
Sure. So I got involved my freshman year. So we help out at all the blood drives and do a lot of service events. And I've gotten to do some leadership positions in there, which has been awesome.
So what are the goals or the initiatives of the organization?
Definitely to bring the Red Cross's goals to BG and our campus. So hosting campus blood drives that allow students and staff to be able to donate blood or volunteer right on campus. And disaster relief, bringing awareness when there's any hurricane or tornado, anything like that. So we try to host at least one blood drive a semester, and then just any other service projects. So we've done installing smoke detectors in schools or houses. We just did Project Linus, which is making blankets for the Children's Hospital in Toledo. So just any type of service event, but definitely making sure to get at least one blood drive a semester.
So how can students get involved if they're looking to join the Red Cross Club?
I would say we definitely stop by a meeting, or if you see any type of blood drive info, stop by there. And we have members of our club at every event, so you can talk to one of us, shoot us an email, find us on Presence. Definitely just stop by any event or ask us.
Do you have a social media and like a handle or anything you want to say?
We do have a Facebook, and I believe it's just BGSU Red Cross.
Okay,
so
sure.
Facebook, and I don't know if we have Twitter, but I would say Facebook would be the go-to.